I am Guangzhou Huaisheng Packaging Inc. Limited. Marketing Director Angela. For hardcover boxes and folding boxes in terms of materials, there are various brochures for our customers to choose from, like the one we usually use, which feels smooth to the touch. This kind of paper is called Copperplate Paper. This is the most commonly used for hardcover box. This kind of regular Copperplate paper, it is often coated with a glossy or matte film to protect the ink on it. And the box is not easy to break. If they want a more high-end feel, they will choose some other paper materials. Like this one, it is made of our gold card material, which looks more metallic. Some customers prefer that special paper with patterns like this. We have a lot of thousands of choices on our sample books, so no matter what type you like, or color, or texture, as long as you send us the picture, we will choose from our sample books. We also have embossed version sample books for you to choose. It's on the regular Copperplate paper after printing your design, and then emboss the pattern. Litchi grain and Oxford grain are quite popular. If you have high requirements for color, we suggest you provide us with a Pantone color number. We will strictly follow your color number to print the bulk goods, so the color error can be controlled at 5%.